Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do open box review of my new action camera! Woo! The camera I got from Amazon just recently, and the reason I bought this camera because I needed something to go and take with me on my travels if I'm like swimming or going under the waterfall and I don't want my phone to get wet and stuff like that. So, but let's not wait and go ahead and open this box and show you what's inside. Woo! So we've got this box. Let's open it. Wow, we got the stuff in here. Yeah, we got the feedback the company wants about this camera. We got a user manual. And let's get this black box out. Woo! Yes! Alright, the black box out. What's inside? Let's take a look. Oh, we got lots of stuff. Woo! Alright, so these are different brackets and stuff. You can install this camera, by the way, on your helmet, onto your bicycle. There is, I don't know what this is. We'll find out later on. There is a USB cable somewhere, but I don't need it right now because we're gonna take a look at this camera. Here's action camera itself. Alright, but let me remove the batteries first. There is one battery that will go inside the camera. They also give you extra battery. Look at them, how generous. Wow. Okay, here's the camera. Look at this. Wow, it's a Extreme HD 4K camera. Has a back screen so you can review your videos while you're traveling. But also it has a Wi-Fi connection. How I know? Because I just opened this camera on my phone and I see it has image resolution of 16 megapixels, video, has a Wi-Fi connection to Android and iOS supported devices, has batteries like I showed you, charging time is about 2 to 3 hours and work time up to 90 minutes for one battery. And you can change, so basically they also give you the second battery so you can charge this battery and take it with you in case this battery runs out of power. Alright, so that's my video review, guys. I'm gonna do more videos about this camera once I get to know this little camera a little bit more. But this is it, guys, for today. Thanks for watching a lot, and you will see this camera and videos from this camera a lot more because anywhere I will go, I will take this camera to film my action. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also there is a subscribe button on the right side of my video. So hit that, hit the bell so you won't miss another video from me. And thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.